Most people think saving $10,000 in a year is only possible if you earn a huge salary. But here's the shocking truth: it's not. Everyday people with average incomes do it all the time, not by winning the lottery, not by getting a magical raise, but by using strategies anyone can copy. And in this video, I'll show you how. Step by step, dollar by dollar, habit by habit. So stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to hit that $10,000. Why $10,000 matters. $10,000 isn't just money, it's security. It's an emergency fund that protects your family. It's a down payment on a home. It's the seed for your first investment account. Or it's the cushion to finally quit debt. And here's the truth: most people can't reach it. In fact, statistics show most households don't even have $1,000 saved. That's why this number matters so much. Because once you hit 5 figures saved, everything changes about your financial confidence. Step 1: break it down. $10,000 sounds huge when said out loud. But let's break it into smaller pieces. $10,000 in 12 months equals about $833 a month. That's $192 a week. Or roughly $27 a day. Suddenly, it feels more achievable, right? Because saving $27 today feels realistic. And small steps add up fast. Step 2: automate your savings. You won't save $10,000 by accident. You need automation. Set up an automatic transfer every payday. If you earn weekly, send $200 straight to savings. If you earn monthly, move $800 instantly. Don't wait to see what's left, because if you wait, nothing will be left. Pay yourself first, and watch your balance grow. Step 3: cut the silent killers. We all have silent money killers. That daily coffee run. That random fast food lunch. That streaming service you forgot you're paying for. Individually, they seem small. Together, they steal thousands every year. Here's the math. $5 coffee x 5 days equals $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year, just for coffee. Cutting these silent killers alone can save thousands. Step 4: the 24-hour rule. Impulse spending destroys savings faster than anything. So here's a simple hack: the 24-hour rule. Whenever you want to buy something unnecessary, wait 24 hours before purchasing. Most of the time, the urge will fade. And if it doesn't, at least it's intentional. This one rule alone could save you $1,000. Step 5: side hustles for boosting income. Cutting expenses is powerful, but limited. There's only so much you can cut. That's why you also need to raise income. Pick a side hustle that fits your schedule. Freelancing, delivery apps, print on demand, tutoring, options are endless. Even making $200 extra a week changes everything. That's $10,400 in 1 year, from hustling alone. Imagine combining this with expense cuts. That $10,000 goal becomes unstoppable. Step 6: use cash, not cards. Cards make spending painless. Cash makes it real. Studies show people spend 30% less with cash. So for categories like food or entertainment, withdraw cash, and put it in envelopes. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending. Simple, old school, but brutally effective. Step 7: negotiate everything. Your bills aren't fixed, they're negotiable. Call your internet provider. Ask your insurance company for discounts. Even your rent can sometimes be negotiated. Most people never ask, so they overpay. But negotiation can save hundreds per month. And hundreds per month is thousands a year. Step 8. Sell the clutter. Look around your home right now. Clothes you don't wear. Electronics collecting dust. Furniture sitting unused. That's money lying around, waiting for you. Sell on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or OfferUp. Declutter and deposit cash straight into savings. Some people make thousands just from selling clutter. Step 9. Meal planning. Food is one of the biggest budget leaks. But meal planning can plug it instantly. Cooking at home saves thousands compared to eating out. For example, $12 takeout versus $3 homemade meal. Do that 5 times a week, and boom, $45 saved. Multiply that by 52 weeks? Over $2,000 saved. Meal prep isn't just healthy, it's profitable. Step 10. Use found money bonuses, tax refunds, and gifts. Most people blow them on random splurges. But if you save every windfall, they add up fast. A $1,500 tax refund. A $500 bonus. A $200 birthday gift. That's $2,200 in extra savings you never expected. One step closer to $10,000. Step 11. Track every dollar. What gets tracked gets improved. You can't fix what you don't measure. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even Excel. Track income, track expenses, track savings growth. The awareness alone changes behavior. When you see where money goes, you stop wasting. Step 12. Stay consistent. Here's the hardest part: consistency. It's not about one huge month of saving. It's about steady deposits every single month. Think marathon, not sprint. $10,000 in 1 year isn't magic. It's simply discipline multiplied by time. Why most people fail? They treat saving as optional. They save only when it feels convenient. They chase quick wins instead of steady growth. They underestimate small habits and overestimate big moments. And then they wonder why nothing changes. But you're different. Because you now know the roadmap. Imagine the results. Picture this. It's 1 year later. You log into your account and see $10,000. That feeling of security is priceless. Emergencies no longer scare you. Opportunities no longer pass you by. And the best part? You proved it's possible. That confidence will fuel the next financial goal. Final thoughts. Saving $10,000 in a year isn't about luck. It's about structure, discipline, and smart choices. Break it down. Automate it. Cut expenses. Boost income. Track progress. Stay consistent. Do this for 12 months and watch the magic. Your $10,000 is waiting for you. If this video gave you clarity, don't stop here. Hit the like button to boost the channel. Subscribe for more powerful money tips each week. And share this video with someone chasing $10,000. Because wealth grows faster when we grow together.